Hey everyone, glad to see you here. My name is Nick and today I want to show you how to make a Minecraft cursor on Windows 11. So it's pretty easy, and first of all let's open up a browser and now we're gonna install a Minecraft cursor. So I will do it on this website. So you can download it from this website too, or install it from another site. So to do it, here is the necessary icon. So let's click here and click on download now. Okay, at the top right you can see that I've just downloaded this cursor, or you can download all these cursors if you want. Just click here. And now let's drag and drop this cursor onto the desktop. So the next step, you need to click on the main menu at the top left and go to the settings. Okay, and now let's use the search box at the top left corner. Let's type here mouse, press enter, go to mouse settings and select additional mouse settings. Okay, now we can close this window and now go to the pointers tab right here and click on browse now. Okay. Also, you can already see here your mouses. Now click on browse and select our cursor. So go to the desktop and find this cursor here and click on open. And here it is. So just click on apply and okay. And yeah, finally, I have a Minecraft cursor on my Windows 11. So that's how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very good day.